Joshua! Good job! Now turn around.
Come on, I got you. We gotta turn around. You gotta learn first on this pedal. Don't let go. Keep going. You gotta keep going straight. Watch where you're going.
Yay! Watch where you're going.
Push your feet to the pedal. Don't let go. Go turn the speed bump now. Feet on the pedal. You can do it. You got it.
Good job.
On the pedal. You got it.
I don't know what's more interesting, Joshua riding a bike or Daddy running around.
Hey, I'm trying not to let him fall. Alright, keep going.
Yay!